textbook-level drug monograph for Astemizole, expanding each heading thoroughly and suitable for medical, nursing, or pharmacy study. Astemizole detailed drug profile. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Astemizole. Drug class second generation H1 antihistamine, non-sedating at therapeutic doses, long-acting antihistamine. Brand name Hismanal, discontinued or withdrawn in many countries due to safety concerns. Drug forms, oral tablets, commonly 10 milligrams, oral suspension, availability varied by region. Number 2, definition. Astemizole is a long-acting, selective peripheral histamine H1 receptor antagonist used for the treatment of allergic disorders, such as allergic rhinitis and chronic urticaria. Although initially favored due to its minimal sedative effects, its use declined significantly because of its association with serious cardiac arrhythmias, including QT interval prolongation and torsades de pointes. Number 3, mechanism of action. Therapeutic action. Astemizole competitively inhibits H1 receptors on smooth muscle, endothelial cells, sensory nerve endings. Effects of H1 blockade prevents histamine-induced vasodilation, increased capillary permeability, bronchoconstriction, pruritus, sneezing, and rhinorrhea. Cardiac toxicity mechanism blocks cardiac potassium channels, ERG channels, delays ventricular repolarization, causes QT interval prolongation, can trigger ventricular arrhythmias, especially when plasma levels increase. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, absorption. Well absorbed after oral administration, slow onset of action, clinical benefit may take several days. Distribution, highly protein bound, 95%. Extensive tissue distribution, minimal penetration into the CNS. Metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver, enzyme involved, CYPA4, active metabolite, desmethylastimazole, also cardiotoxic. Half-life, parent drug 24 hours, active metabolite up to 9 to 10 days, leads to drug accumulation. HAP excretion, primarily via feces, minimal renal excretion. Number 5, uses, allergic rhinitis, seasonal and perennial, chronic idiopathic urticaria, other allergic conditions involving histamine release. Use today is rare and mainly academic. Relief of symptoms associated with hay fever, dust mite allergy, animal dander allergy, chronic hives, urticaria. 7. Contraindications. Astemizole is contraindicated in patients with known hypersensitivity to astemizole, congenital or acquired QT prolongation, history of ventricular arrhythmias, torsades de pointes, severe hepatic impairment, electrolyte abnormalities, hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, concurrent use of CYP3A4 inhibitors, pregnancy and breastfeeding, relative contraindication. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions, medical conditions to disclose, heart disease, liver disease, history of fainting or palpitations, electrolyte imbalances. Special populations, elderly, increased risk of arrhythmias. Children, safety concerns limit use. Pregnancy, avoid unless benefit outweighs risk. Lactation, excretion in breast milk possible. Monitoring, baseline and periodic ECG, liver function tests if prolonged use, electrolyte monitoring. 9. How to use, administer orally, usually taken once daily, can be taken with or without food. Do not chew or crush tablets. Avoid grapefruit juice. 10. Dosing information. Adults, 10 milligrams once daily. Children, 12 years. Same adult dose historically. Higher doses increase cardiac risk and must not be used. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next scheduled dose. Do not double doses. Overdose. Symptoms: severe QT prolongation, ventricular tachycardia, torsades de pointes, syncope, or sudden death. Management: immediate hospitalization, continuous ECG monitoring, correction of electrolyte imbalance, supportive cardiac care. Not 12. Stop or avoid taking, discontinue astemizole if palpitations or irregular heartbeat occur, dizziness or fainting develops. ECG shows QT prolongation. Interacting medication is required. 13. Side effects. Common side effects: headache, dry mouth, fatigue, nausea, abdominal discomfort. Less common: rash, dizziness, insomnia. Serious adverse effects: QT prolongation, ventricular arrhythmias, towards the point, sudden cardiac death. Number 14. Vital information, black box level warning. Narrow therapeutic margin. Long half-life causes prolonged toxicity. Drug interactions significantly increase risk, withdrawn or restricted worldwide, not recommended in modern clinical practice, safer alternatives available. Now 15. Other drugs will affect astemizole. CYP3A4 inhibitors, major risk. Erythromycin, clarithromycin, ketoconazole, itraconazole, fluconazole, HIV protease inhibitors, grapefruit juice. QT prolonging drugs, quinidine, amiodarone, sotalol, tricyclic antidepressants, certain antipsychotics. Effective interaction, increased astemizole plasma levels, increased risk of fatal arrhythmias. Summary clinical perspective. Astemizole is a historically important antihistamine that demonstrated the risks of cardiac toxicity associated with QT prolongation. It has been largely replaced by safer second-generation antihistamines such as loratadine, cetirizine, fexofenadine. Thank you. Have a nice day.